Oh, greetings once again, guys. Our time flies. Can you believe tomorrow you're writing paper two? But no problem. It's section A and section B, the same as in paper one. And your section A, which is question one, is out of 45 marks. Same sub questions, guys. And we know that here we can get 30 and above if we can master the language of the subject. You remember, if for each topic, make sure that you know your terms, your terminology, your concepts. You understand? Yeah, we need the concept. So atavism. Yeah, and or profit or liabilities or balance statement. You see that? Yeah, but if you know those things, you will just cruise through this question paper. And then question four, you have in this one as question two, production factor as question three, basic genetics as question four. But it's not a problem, guys. The same way we did in question one, we know that this question, management and marketing, is your question two, and then production factors, your question three, and then basic genetics, your question four. No problem, no problem whatsoever. And then um, getting deeper and deeper. When we talk management, you need to focus. So this one we said is the one that we said it's question two, and then this one question three, and then this one question four. So getting deeper on the part of management, these are the only topics. Look at the principles of management and the components, the management skills, and then the internal and the external forces, the sources of risk, and those two risk management strategies. That's all for management. And then for the second part, that is the look at the functions of marketing. Before that, okay, you need to know the definitions of marketing and selling, and even the differences between those terms, guys. And then the functions of marketing, the main ones, the storage, packaging, processing, transport, know those advantages and disadvantages. Make sure that you read through. And also coming to packaging, make sure that you know those guidelines. Demand and supply. Wow, so easy. Demand, a positive slope, supply, negative slope. So easy, very easy. So make sure that you know those curves, and also even the factors that influence demand and supply. For instance, those that are common in both. The price is common both demand and supply. Even I saw that even legislation is there in both demand and supply. Even the use of product is common. So guys, but it's very easy. Elasticity. Oh, this one is still fresh from the previous test. When we talk elasticity, if it's flat, sorry, it's too flat, this one. If it's flat, it means it's elastic. Then if it is a little bit, if it is a steep, then it means it is inelastic. So it's very easy, guys. Market equilibrium, that one I know you know it. We have our demand and our supply. Where they meet, it means it's where they are equal, and this is our equilibrium price. Not a problem. You know it, I know that. And also, guys, coming to these the fixed prices, when either could be buyers or sellers, if they collude and fix the prices, it's very bad. It's not right. It's legally not acceptable, but they do it anyway. The types of buyers, make sure that you read those and you know the differences, and even the ways of promoting product approaches to marketing. You must know the differences and also be able to describe niche marketing, multi-segment, mass marketing. You know those things. Sustainable marketing. You are up. Just know the difference between green markets and eco-labeling. Yeah, guys. It's mainly about the environment. So the marketing systems, there's three of them, as you know the difference between them. Free marketing, you're free to sell at whatever price. Then cooperative marketing, it means you come together as a group. And then controlled marketing, it's when your marketing is controlled by the state or control boards or what, all those things. So very easy. But when it comes to free marketing, guys, please, you must know those channels, the 5 channels of free marketing. Make sure that you master those. And then the advantages and disadvantages for cooperative marketing, it's mainly those principles and the advantages only, not we don't have disadvantages of cooperative marketing. And coming to entrepreneurship, guys, you know this one. Know the difference between an entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Ne? We know that entrepreneur is actually the person, and then entrepreneurship is the practice of that. And here you must know the success factors, that is the personal characteristics, and also the phases of the entrepreneurial process. Very easy, very easy, very easy. You see, guys, and then also as well, lastly, we look at the business plan. Even this one is straightforward. Come on, business plan. Just what you need to know is the problems, ne, of a business plan, and the format of a business plan, reasons for drawing up a business plan. You understand? If you know those things, and then the last aspect is the SWOT analysis. It's not difficult at all, guys. And then coming to, so this was our question 2. Then coming to question 3. Question 3, look, it's only land, labor, and capital. Come on, it's very easy. I've even come to this side to explain it, that when it comes to land as a production factor or as a resource that you can use for production, you only need to know the functions. It's those 5 functions of land only, the economic characteristics, and also number 3, the ways or method or techniques. That's why I've put all those things, so that you don't become confused with the language. So how to improve your land productivity, that's all. Functions, economic characteristics, and ways or techniques to improve land productivity. That's all. And be able. So, okay, guys, make sure that even when you read, you understand, you should be able to identify those. Coming to labor, types and examples of laborers, problems of labor, the methods to improve labor productivity. So same as here, ne? Methods to improve labor productivity. The legislation, those acts, guys, there's 5 of them, or if the acts or Labor Relations Acts, and also the standard format. That's all for labor. And also, must know the definition of a laborer, ne? Yeah. And then coming to capital, also the same as good labor, is the types, ne? Yeah, ne? And also problems of capital, subject to high risk, no interest, and all they are easy. And also, how do you create capital? Those 3 methods of creating capital, and also the sources of capital could be your bank, and also those examples, short term, long term, and whatever term credit, ne? And then coming to the capital management systems, the financial records, asset records, and the farm budgets. Also go through those, and then the difference between the enterprise and the whole farm budget. Yabona abage guys, you should be able to know to calculate the profit or the net, don't know whatever, that it's the total income minus the total costs, total income or total sales minus. So you should know which one goes to which side. So this is a simple calculation, guys, and it's always the components of a cash flow statement. Also look at that one, and also the aspects in a cash flow budget statement. Come on guys, it's only that you can get that 35 over 35 total. You see, it's only those three. Then coming to basic genetics, your crosses, both monohybrid, mono means one, di means two. So guys, it's very easy. Also make sure that you know what those laws, Mendel, just know what law number 1 says this, law number 2 says this, just a simple description. Okay, the characteristics, but those that are qualitative and those that are quantitative, it's so easy, guys, ne? And then the pattern of inheritance, or codominance, jalo njalo. And then also look at these concepts here: prepotence, atavism, also the sex chromosomes and the sex characteristics with examples. Oh, your favorites, variation and mutation. So guys, look at these two terms and also make sure that you understand them. And also coming to selection, you know guys, that we select the best. We select the best, we look at the best qualities, and then we breed those animals with the best qualities, so that offspring we get those qualities. So it means look at those breeding types of breeding, your related and your non-related breeding. And then last but not least, genetic modification or genetic engineering. So here you look at the aims. What are the aims of this process, and also the advantages of genetic engineering over the traditional methods. Make sure that you don't confuse the advantages of genetic engineering with the benefits of GMOs. Please guys, here is just the advantages of the system over the traditional one. And then make sure that you know the uses of the process, and then the techniques, or know all those techniques of going about with genetic modification, the benefits of GMOs, like I told you, the characteristics, and then the risks involved in the process. So guys, that's all. So go get that 35, 35, 35, and section A 45, get 150, and then you